Hey guys, thank you for watching our YouTube channel. This is our 790 KTM center stand installation video, and we're going to be walking you through the steps. Also, I'm going to be showing you the hardware and the recommended tools. Okay, so everything's laid out here on the bench. If you can, I really suggest that you put the bike on a stand like this to not put much pressure on the foot peg mount, if possible. So I already removed the OEM bolt from here. This is the OEM bolt, and for this you will need to use a T45 Torx. There will be a spacer, the spacer that's going to fall out of here, which is fine. Don't worry about it. You're not going to put it back in because the center stand goes back in here. So you're going to be using the OEM bolts. You're going to put them back in. Use medium strength thread locking fluid, and a tool like this with the end bent slightly so we can hook the springs and pull them in. You will see, you should be able to use just a Phillips head or a flat head screwdriver. We have these spacers, but they will go straight in here. I suggest that you apply some mechanical grease on the inside or on the outside of it. And we have this tab. This is where we're going to hook the other end of the springs. Okay, so we'll show you where it goes. And of course the center stand itself, it's not painted yet, but this is going to be the final version. There's a rubber bumper wheel that you will have to install, and we're going to supply this. Okay, so you'll have to put it on here, and it's going to stop the center stand from going too far up. Okay, so we're going to get this thing mounted. One suggestion again, if you don't have a stand like this, but if you have our skid plate, you can lift it up, use a jack to lift it up, put a 2x4 or something in between the jack and the skid plate and try to lift it up. Okay, so we're gonna mount this thing up. Okay, so I put the camera on the stand, and we're gonna go together and slide this in. Like so. And then I have this tab that's going to hook onto the spring and vice versa. I'm going to slide this in. And I'm going to make sure the holes line up, and they are looking good. I'm going to drop this in and just hand thread. And we're good for now. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and install the springs, 2 of them. Okay, springs installation. This little tab back here, and both hooks will go on. They fully engage. This is really simple, like so. Okay, now the rear end, that's a bit tougher, but I'm going to hold this up. I'm going to help Thomas with one hand here. I suggest that you wear safety goggles for this operation. Okay, let's go hook it in. One, so the smaller diameter springs engaged right there, and now he's going to do the second one, the thicker one, the larger diameter one. Okay, I think we're good. We're looking good. Just gonna pull that little device out, and that is it. Both are engaged. Both are actually sitting right in the little groove. I'm gonna push it down a bit. Like so. Okay, so the installation is complete, and just so you know, FYI, our skid plate is of course compatible with the center stand, so you're not going to have any problems with the spring catching this part. It's already made like that. It clears the spring, and everything is looking good, and we're hoping to release this product soon. One more thing, when you finish the installation, do go out for a ride, 100 kilometers, 150, 100 miles, and check all the bolts and nuts again, and check that the spring is engaged like this, both front and rear, and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching.